Hello, Badoo lovers! In this video, I'll show you how to take your Badoo experience to the next level by activating the premium version. If you're ready to unlock exclusive features and up your game on Badoo, follow these simple steps. The first thing you need is to have the Badoo app installed on your device. Open the app to begin the process. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you will find your profile. Tap on it to log in. Inside your profile, you'll see an ad inviting you to upgrade to Badoo Premium. Let's click on that ad to unlock all the amazing features. Here you will find several subscription options. You can choose from different plans, such as 1 month, lifetime, or even Premium Plus options. Prices will vary, so select the one that best suits your needs. After choosing your preferred subscription, click Continue. Here you will see the subscription details and pricing. If everything looks good, go ahead with the purchase. Follow the instructions to complete the transaction and activate your Badoo Premium. This may include entering your payment details and confirming your choice. And that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on apps and online dating. Any questions or experiences you'd like to share, leave them in the comments and we'll see you in the next video.